Classes at the junior and senior high school in Jay County are paused this week. Last night, a tornado ripped through the school building and then tore its way all the way through a home across the street.
Yeah, Fox 59's Eric Graves went to Jay County today, where witnesses there say the storm came suddenly and without warning.
It started out as the rain that everybody said they needed. It turned into the storm that nobody wanted any part of. From the high school right here to the homes across the street, one taking the brunt of the impact, losing its entire roof.
Neighbors here in Jay County are grateful no one is hurt. Kyle Love's roof had been thrown all over his backyard, into his neighbors' houses, and even into the corn a football field away. He heard it all happen from his living room couch. Love says he got a storm alert and looked out his front window to see the tornado literally on his doorstep. It had just gone through the Jay County Junior and Senior High School across the street and was throwing around pieces of the building.
I look out the window, and at that time I see my front porch awning lift up. I see debris flying on the highway, and I immediately covered and went down into the couch because there was nowhere else to go. And next thing you know, I heard the roof pop off, and it literally sounded like it popped off.
Kyle says he still plans to be a part of all the homecoming festivities. He drives a fire truck in the parade, and he's the announcer at the football games. Reporting in Jay County, Eric Graves, Fox 59 News.
All right, Eric.